When do you run a business and when does an entrepreneur belong to a liberal profession? That's an easy question. You belong to a liberal profession if you are self-employed in a scientific, artistic, literary, teaching, child education, or advisory or consulting activity, and if this activity is not subject to trading regulations. This applies in particular to doctors, alternative practitioners, engineers, translators, writers, teachers, child educators, lawyers, and tax advisors. However, most self-employed activity takes place in the regulated business sector. Business persons are required to register their business, pay trade tax in most cases, and be a member of the Chamber of Industry and Commerce or the Chamber of Skilled Crafts, depending on their specific activity. Business people are also obliged to keep commercial accounts and may have to prepare a balance sheet. Liberal professions, on the other hand, enjoy a number of benefits. All they need to do is submit a net income statement and register their self-employment directly with the tax office. Freelancers do not have to pay trade tax. But who decides what category you belong to? The final decision is made by the tax office. For this decision, you will, for example, need a written description of your activities, which explains exactly what you will do in your job. It is always advisable to get expert advice from the Institute of Liberal Professions or your tax advisor, for example. This institute or your tax advisor can also help if there is initial uncertainty about which group you belong to. Okay, got that?